He's running away.
Yeah.
I had a fight with the robot. Talk to you again in 2030, then we will be the kings of robots. So I guess by now everyone has seen the videos of the humanoid robots dancing at the Chinese New Year's Gala, and all of them were from Unitree. But a lot of people asked, are they real or is it just CGI? We're in Hangzhou right now and let's go in and find out. So a lot of people are asking, how did I get an appointment here? Because allegedly they have 1,000 people who want to come here every day. They don't have the capacity to get it. But you know, in China, if you want to do business here, there's one thing you have to know, guanxi. Guanxi means connections or your network. So the German chancellor came here and it was arranged by the German consulate in Shanghai. So I reached out to the consulate because I know them and they introduced me to the people here. And then I came here last week, and even for me, living in China for 10 years, it was mind-blowing what's happening here. So I just came here and my plan is to talk to them, and I want to sell the robots to Germany, to the German market.
Ready for this?
He's running away.
Yeah.
Where's he going?
I don't know.
Are you used to it, to seeing robots walking
Yes,
the whole
yes,
day?
yes. Because our office has a lot of robots and they are working every day. Our first product is Leica Go, and why the name is Leica? Because last century Soviet Union sent a rocket into the universe, and there is
A dog. Yeah. So 2016 already. Yeah.
2016, and that is also the year we established our company. We improved our product to the Alien Go in 2019, and B1 is our second generation for the industry robot. You can see there are two reels on the back, so you can put different equipment on the back. It can carry around 100 kilograms.
What are the main use cases?
For example, inspection. You can put a camera on the robot dog's back, or you can also put a water cannon or gas sensors, thermal camera on the robot back.
Yeah.
The B2 is larger, is stronger. You can also put a LiDAR on the robot's head. Also, this is a robotic arm built by ourselves. You can also integrate this on the robot's back, so it can carry something on the production line, or it can also open the door in the factory. This is our most popular quadruped robot, Go2, because it's very cheap. The start price is only $1,600 US.
This is a consumer product, right?
Yeah.
How many of those are you already selling to the market?
Every month we can sell it around 2,000 or more.
2000. Oh wow.
At least 2,000, because our factory every month can build around 3,000 units.
How many do you produce of these? Do you know?
At least 5,000 units last year. Each month is also around 500 or more. For the higher version, it has more motor. LG company in Turkey, they already use our G1 robot and let the robot pick up something on the production line.
Okay, yeah. But in years it will be many more, right?
Yes.
Last week I went to the big exhibition hall. It was definitely not CGI what they did there. It was also the robots dancing for the chancellor. And I had a fight with the robot. I can show you here. So this is actually super interesting. I mean, we just had a meeting talking about how we can cooperate to help them to go abroad. They're already very successful, right? But the one thing that I find the most exciting is what he said is that this is just the beginning. So he says, yeah, we know we are not very, a lot of things are still in progress and not very perfect, but in 5 to 10 years, this industry will be huge.
This will look completely different, actually.
Yeah. And actually, even the headquarters, we can see that it's a lot. They just moved in, but this is the Chinese way. It doesn't have to be perfect. We will improve on the way.
Yeah.
Right now, it's just like we can use it, and I'm so excited that we're here and we're taking you guys to this industry. In 5 to 10 years, this will be huge. We have video evidence right now. I'm telling you, in 2026. Talk to you again in 2030, then we'll see like we will be the kings of robots.